Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get Clyde Chatbot. Now, to be honest with you, Clyde Chatbot, you cannot get Clyde Chatbot. I'm just gonna be honest with you right at the beginning. Clyde Chatbot is something that's still experimental. I'm gonna be explaining to you later on. So, I'm currently here on Discord, and I'm gonna be checking some settings on my servers, channels. Because I have seen some people talking about you can see Clyde Chatbot through here, through your app integrations over here. But you can see it only and only if you have been given Clyde Chatbot permission by Discord themselves. Even like famous or like bigger channels or servers don't even have Clyde Chatbot on their servers, and that is because it is only a limited test for now. It's not being given to everyone. So let's search up Clyde Chatbot and let me explain to you why. And as you can see, there are some questions here that's normally asked. I'm a server admin. Do I have access to Clyde? Server admins will be notified a few days before Clyde is available to their servers via a banner at the top of their channel list. Therefore, Clyde is not for everyone, and still, yes, not for everyone. Still, that means in the future, we will all have access to Clyde. So all you need to do right now is really just be patient. And if you get lucky, the Discord admins themselves, or like the creators of Discord or the team of Discord, will tell you that your server is what you call this allowed to have Clyde on your server if you are lucky. So that is all about Clyde Chatbot. I'm really sorry to tell you that you can't get it now, but if you're lucky, you will. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if you did. This is Generation Unravel. See you in the next one. Bye bye!